You just learned about NFTs, maybe from my last video, maybe from somewhere else, but now you want to know how to buy an NFT. In this video today, I want to take you through the process, how you can buy an NFT on one of the most popular NFT marketplaces for Ethereum NFTs. I will now share my screen, guide you through the user interface of OpenSea, and in the end, I will use my MetaMask wallet to buy an NFT. If you do not have a crypto wallet yet, then let me know in the comments below, and I will make sure that one of my next videos will be a guide how to get a MetaMask wallet. But now, let's get started. Let's start on the landing page of OpenSea. You find this page by typing in the URL opensea.io. Here you have some featured collections, you have trending collections, you can look at top collections. Those are the collections that got the highest volume. And you can also search directly for a collection. So let's go to the Cool Cats Football Club. I choose the collection just because I know the floor price is kind of low. So I can then show you how to buy a real NFT. So let's see what we got here. On the top, you see the total traded volume in Ethereum. So 213 Ethereum in trading volume has already happened in this collection. That's not that high, but it's always good to check this one because for a side collection like the Cool Cats Football Club, it's okay that it's only 230 ETH. But when you check whether a collection is legit, then, and for example, if you want to buy a Bored Ape, and the collection that Bored Ape is in has just 1 or 2 ETH in trading volume, you can be pretty sure this is a scam because the real Bored Ape Yacht Club collection has, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of ETH in trading volume. So that's the first thing you can check to not get scammed. Then here you can see the floor price. Floor price means that's the cheapest NFT in the collection you can buy at the moment. Then you see the best offer. This means that someone has put out an offer to buy a Cool Cats Football Club NFT for 0.0114 ETH. And you could now, if you own such an NFT, you can decide to sell it at that price. You got 1,274 owners in total. That means 42% of the NFTs are with unique owners. We have 3,000 NFTs in total here. The collection is from November 2022. And the creator fee for this collection is set to 0%. So it's not active basically. But the creator has the possibility to set up to 10%. And then 10% of the proceeds from a sale will go not to the seller, but to the creator of the collection. And here you see the Cool Cats Football Club is on the Ethereum blockchain. Good. So let's see which NFT we want to buy. I mean, I just want to really buy something here to try things out. Let's see, here on the side you can filter like what's the price range you want to see in US dollar or ETH or even SOL. You can here check that you only want to see single items. I would do that because when you use bundles, there's a high probability that people will try to smuggle in non-legitimate NFTs in there. So I would highly advise against buying bundles. And if you choose to buy bundles because the price is very good, then really make sure to check every single NFT that's in that bundle. And here you can filter for the different accessories. Okay, if we now take the box for Germany, we see here the Germany NFTs in here. Looks like there's also the Japanese checkbox ticked. So here we got this one. So how do we now buy an NFT? Yeah, you can do buy now or you can put it in the cart. I will hit buy now because I just want one NFT. Don't want to spend more for this tutorial. So here. Now my wallet opens up here. I now see the price. the estimated gas cost. Currently it's just $2, so that's for Ethereum. That's super cheap. And then we can go here and it's $58 in total. Then we hit confirm. And the transaction is submitted to the blockchain. We see now here the purchase is processing. And here the transaction came through. We got this NFT added to our collection. Under some conditions, you should be able to also pay with credit card. I'm not quite sure how that works because I usually just use my wallet for that. But if you really don't want to fund your wallet with Ethereum before purchasing something on OpenSea, you still have the possibility to use your credit card. So I think that's a pretty nice feature. Now that I told you a little bit about OpenSea and how to buy an NFT, I have another video for you where I talk about SoRare, a game that uses NFTs to represent rare sports cards that you can use in their prediction game. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it so far, subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.